Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel Cook Tasty with Amy. Today I'm going to show you my favorite recipe of my favorite Moroccan bread called Harsha. Basically, Harsha is a semolina bread that is very popular in Morocco. We eat it at breakfast, tea time, or even as a snack. So let's get started. For the ingredients we will need 500 grams of semolina, half cup of cooking oil, half cup sugar, 1 cup water, 1 teaspoon baking powder, half teaspoon salt, and half teaspoon yeast. All the ingredients in grams and milliliter will be in the description box. Just check it out. In a bowl, add the baking powder, and oil, and mix well the semolina until it is all covered with the oil. Keep on mixing. Mix, 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 mix. You will not require a mixer. Only hands will do. Hands will do the job. Not even hands, only our fingers. And here we are done mixing. We will take one small bowl and take out 100 grams, almost 100 grams of semolina, and leave it for a later use. Now add the sugar, salt and yeast, and add water gradually, and keep mixing with your fingers only. The texture of the dough should be like this. Now keep it aside for 10 minutes to rest. After 10 minutes, the dough has dried as the semolina absorbs all the water. Now let's spread some semolina, the semolina which we left earlier, and we will start shaping our dough. Now we will spread the dough using semolina so it will not stick while cutting it. And you can either keep it thick or keep it thin. If you want it to be crispier, then keep it thin, and if you want it to be softer, then you can keep it thick. Now we're going to use a cutter or anything round. I'm here using a cup to cut it. You can make a large harsha or mini ones. I'm here making mini harsha. And at the same time, I'm heating my pan in a medium flame. Now reduce the heat to low. It's very important. Otherwise the harsha will burn from outside and will not cook from inside. Now place the mini harsha and let it cook for 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, flip the harsha to the other side and let it cook for another 5 minutes. And look at that beautiful color coming out. And here our harsha is ready. You can have them plain or with some butter, cheese, chocolate spread, or even with peanut butter. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to hit the thumbs up and leave me a comment. See you again soon. Bye bye.